set that white balance thing. All right, so here we go. So we write this. This is going to have some long names to it, but it's no big deal. Okay, I got to show you this here because I want to show you that the SchroederDiamond technique works. What we're looking at here is such a complex reaction. I mean, we can't even fit it on one piece of paper here. The vitamin B1 is carrying the acyl group. The lipoic acid here is going to take it. So what's going on right here? Can't get the resolution on it, but these two sulfurs were bound together. This sulfur, nitrogen carbon sulfur in this ring was holding the acyl group. So what it's able to do is have an enzyme come by, make it such that this carbon is going to have an electron pair. The electron pair is going to do what's called a nucleophilic attack on the sulfur. And it'll just leave. This carbon will be happy because of the double bond with the nitrogen. So it'll kind of take off. The lipoic acid section breaks the ring open. It protonated that sulfur, and then this sulfur got a little delta plus on it because the electron left over here. Electron took the proton, made a bond to real hydrogen here, covalently bound hydrogen. So the electron that left, a little plus charge on the sulfur, made it that this acyl carbon here, that's just a methyl, there's two carbons here, methyl, now with the OH, blam, into the sulfur, and then it just comes off. So then you're left with the acyl group here, able to then be given to the acetyl-Coenzyme A, which then, to get it re-ready again, because now you got two H's on these sulfurs, get the FAD. It's benzene ring, two nitrogens in a ring, another ring here. The two H's are going to go into that. The double bond's going to go from the sides. This is RiboFlavin. So just to show you again, what have we had in this? We've got RiboFlavin, vitamin again, this was just a rough to show you that the technique works. This enzyme here is so big, it's got a lysine holding lipoic acid out there. So that's 10 units long. 4 carbons of nitrogen, 5 carbons, that's 10 carbons. And that, like an arm, just hangs out there. So it brings the sulfurs over. It's able to take the acyl group off the pyruvate dehydrogenase. Remember, that's that big enzyme. All I can say is the technique works. If you learn these shapes, all the different elements and what they do is dictated by the number of bonds that they have, and the number of bonds is directly related to the shapes. So, I mean, it's neat. If you can learn this, kids, you got color coding, you got shapes, no numbers. Have you noticed that? I tried to keep the numbers out of it. So, again, this is Cosmic Ray, the quantum mechanic, Ricky Ribos. I hope you're getting this. It's fun, it's colorful, it's artistic, it's love of life. So learn what you can. Don't rely on the teachers or books. Teach yourself. That's what you got to do. So there you go. Oh, it's the Beethoven look. Got our hair back here, huh? I love these reactions. These are cool. The color, the shapes. And this is how God made it. I'm not taking any credit for it.